Hey Cheryl, thank you so much for doing this for me. I'm a little nervous to eliminate any sections, especially since there's that weird thing where they remove the parents section. And I agree with you. You'd think that would be a mess. But then so I figured I saw how to do it under people, right? You just click on the three dots and you click on the three dots and then you can edit the sections. Um, but then I saw how you suggested going into settings, and I don't see how you would remove a student here, but I find it interesting that why I don't understand why there are is that normal that there should be two sections listed for my course, which to me, in my way of thinking, it's a combined. I've combined two sections from Pirates Net or self-service into one Canvas shell. So I don't know why I'm seeing two sections listed here. Anyway, maybe none of it means anything, but I was trying to understand for going forward. I don't think I'm going to change anything this semester because whatever they're seeing on their Canvas, and I'll ask them now that I have picked up on this, whatever they're seeing on their Canvas they're used to. So I don't really want to mess with anything this semester, but I just wonder why there are two sections here.